Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech, your home for the best mobile and tech tips. Today I am going to show you a hidden Vivo setting that lets your phone stay unlocked automatically without entering any password or pattern. Yes, this is the extend unlock feature and most people don't even know it exists. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open your setting app on your Vivo phone. Scroll down and tap on security and privacy. And some phones, it might be lock screen at password. Now look for Extend Unlock or Smart Unlock and tap on it. Turn it on, you will see three options. If you see on body detection, tap it, it on. This means your phone will stay unlocked while it's in your hand, pocket, or being used. As soon as you put it down or it's not moving for a while, it will lock automatically for safety. Trusted place at your home or office location. Once added, your phone will automatically stay unlocked in those conditions. Trusted device add any Bluetooth device like your smartwatch, earbuds, or car story. Make sure your location GPS or Bluetooth is on. Otherwise, this feature won't work properly. Extra tips. If your phone is not used for hours or it restart, it will ask for you pin or password again. That's for safety reason. But overall, this setting make your phone experience faster and more convenient. So that's how you can enable auto unlock without password on your Vivo phone. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to JK Future Tech for more amazing mobile tricks and hidden setting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.